In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Airtable. If you want to record time directly inside your Airtable base, one of the easiest ways to do it is by creating a dedicated duration field. This is useful for things like tracking how long a task took, logging time spent on a project, or organizing work sessions in a simple and structured way. To begin, go to the end of your existing columns and click the plus icon. This is where you add a new field in Airtable. Adding a separate field specifically for time tracking helps keep your table organized and makes it easier to sort, filter, or calculate time later if needed. Once the new field setup appears, type duration as the field name. Giving the field a clear and descriptive name is important, especially if your base has multiple columns and different collaborators using it. A simple name like duration makes the purpose of the field immediately obvious. After that, click on duration as the field type. This tells Airtable that the column should store time in a duration format rather than plain text, numbers, or another field type. Choosing the correct field type is what allows Airtable to treat the values properly when you enter time data. Next, click the precision dropdown and select the precision you want to use. Precision controls the level of detail for your time values. Depending on how exact you need your tracking to be, this can help you display time more appropriately for your workflow. For example, some setups may only need broad time values, while others may require more detailed tracking. Then click the duration format dropdown to open it and select the format you want. This determines how the time will appear in the field. Choosing the right display format makes your data easier to read at a glance and helps ensure consistency across your records. Once everything looks right, click Create. Airtable will add the new duration field to your table, and you can start entering time values right away. From there, you'll have a clean, dedicated place to track duration inside your workflow. A quick tip before you continue: make sure the format and precision you choose match how you plan to use the field. That small setup decision can make your tracking much easier to manage later on. And that's it. You've successfully created a duration field for tracking time in Airtable.